today we're going to be playing with the Thomas tent. Pop-up Thomas train tent. So let's open it up. Let's open this up. Ooh, it comes in a bag. We got an extra bag.
It's cool, blue bag.
There's a knot.
Is it success?
Nope. Don't even have to unpeel it.
Oh, easy. Oh my goodness, it's really easy. Easy
It
to
just
pack.
opened right up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah. It's look cool. Wow, that's good.
It's already almost done.
Oh my god. I thought you had to rebuild it, but it's so easy.
I thought there were like parts.
Yeah.
No wonder it's called pop-up.
Okay, ready to choo-choo.
Not yet. Let's see. Oh, it's going inside. Yeah. I'm inside. Oh, not yet. Hi. Choo-choo! It's all completed.
That's good, man.
That's
Maybe in the Thomas, you reading Thomas book? That's good one.
choo-choo! Is it?
Maybe I can fit too.
Maybe. Try. Try. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, it's fit. Okay, how about let's read Thomas book?
No, I got a better idea.
Okay.
Choo-choo! Let's drive, Thomas. I cannot see. Choo-choo.
This is a really narrow way. You cannot fit. Your Thomas is big wide. You cannot, honey.
Turn back up.
Choo-choo! Oh no!
Thomas, out of space. Out of space, Thomas. Choo 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 choo. Close the door. How do you close this one? It's time to go. Train crash. Back it up, back it up.
Back it up, back it up.
I see you. Oh. Hello, hello.
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 Where's Posse? I know she Thomas' best friend. Where is the Posse?
Choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo chugga choo.
Oh no, it's time. I cannot move.
Back it up. Yeah. Is that bigger than I thought it was?
Mm-hmm.
Through the backside. Backside. Hello.
Hi.
Bye. Hello.
It was.
Hi. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. Exactly. Clacker 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 clacker. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
You want to come inside?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let's read the book. Go pick one Thomas book. Over there.
Now, where's the Thomas books?
I thought over there have a
Oh,
lot of
yes.
Thomas book.
We have lots. Let's
Pick one.
pick one. That one got ripped.
Yeah, your brother ripped it. How about that one?
Edward the Hero.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's read about Edward. A really good place to reading.
Come in.
Okay, wait a second.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you fit as an adult?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's really fit.
Edward the Hero. Let's read. The Fat Controller asked Edward to work at the rescue center with Harold. He could be Edward the Hero. Edward didn't know how to be a hero. He wasn't fast or stern. As Edward made his way to the rescue center, he met Charlie looking sad. Edward told him a joke and made him giggle. Edward was funny, but he wasn't fast or stern like a hero. Next, Edward saw a scared dog. He gently edged closer. The dog jumped aboard and Edward took him back to the farmer. Edward was gentle, but he wasn't fast like a hero. Fast or stern like a hero. Edward couldn't find Harold at the rescue center, so he puffed back to Knapford Station. The Fat Controller was happy. Edward the Hero had arrived. Edward was a hero just being himself. He was funny, kind, and gentle. That was a story. That was a nice story inside the Thomas tent. So, That's going to be the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And we're the heroes.